Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply for Telangana Unemployment Scheme, only ways. Open the TS Unemployment portal, sign in with Aadhaar OTP, and choose the Unemployment Assistance option. Next, upload scanned documents, enter bank details exactly as on your passbook, and confirm your name and Aadhaar number. Double-check entries before submitting to avoid delays, and note your reference number for follow-up and tracking status updates. Follow the portal prompt step by step, paying attention to eligibility criteria and required fields. Use the upload tool to attach clear images of Aadhaar, bank passbook, and income proof, and ensure file sizes meet portal limits. If you encounter errors, refresh the page or relog in and try again, then record the submission ID shown. Keep screenshots of confirmation and the reference number for any customer support inquiries or local office visits. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight, stack neatly, and save time during application days when you need simple meals. They are great for busy claim days and keeping energy up. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Troubleshoot common problems by checking Aadhaar phone linkage and retrying OTP in a stable signal area. Rescan documents under good lighting and save images as supported file types to avoid upload rejection. If your bank details or name mismatch, use the portal correction option or visit a local help center with originals. Keep calm, follow instructions, and document every step so corrections and follow-up go smoothly without repeated delays or confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.